Good evening guys. Oops. Ayaw sa scroll paminaw sa istorya guys. Kay kini ako ang istorya day moralison ba. Kaya ako guys ko guys na proud ko sa akong anak na kini si Slane.
Hi guys.
Proud ko ani kay ngano gikan nila sa school mag-study din siya sa young moms kung wife nag-study na sila kini sila kuana dili na siya mohawid og gadgets mas mo prefer siya mag-study kaysa mag-gadgets so kana ilang gibuhat guys every night ug nay mga dulo exam mag-study sila so ako nagdaom guys na nagbunga ng ilang kuan guys nagbunga ng ilang pag-study kay gay na karon na pizza April 14 na sila ilang classroom guys na achievers bitaw na achievers na sila medal nabilong akong anak guys nabilong sa isa ka achievers in Slane so pakita la ko ang iyang kon guys sa yang
Project.
ano di ba oh di ba isip usa ka kaamahan malipay gid ka kay usa pagpaningkamot sa imong baby magkuan sila pero kini siya guys nagbunga na siya gumikan po sa akong asawa guys kay grabe yung effort niya sa pagtuon sa akong anak na akong wife guys kini siya guys plus ugma guys ila ng kuan moving up tomorrow April 15 wapay siguro guys basin maka-award na sa damong anak guys pero ako yapon na siyang i-flex diri sa akong munting bahay ako na ipakita ibagit na Swen study for minti Swen ba study say what can you say ba
Please like and share and subscribe. Bye.
Munang giingon guys kapag may tiyaga may nilaga so mo rin at least ang mga amahan o ginahan malipay biya ta kung atong inana makakuan pod maka-award proud po na sa atong mga parents ba so guys thank you for watching and God bless bye bye good morning guys it's time to moving up my baby Nestlane ay update lang tamo karon guys
Hello guys. Let's go to my moving up.
tara na daw tara na come on tara na okay tara na
Entering the common court are the candidates for
I give it to
Giver, BCB, Golden Heart, Cheerful Soul, Batang Magalang, Batang Manunulat, at Friends. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, mom, dad, children, all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright, and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You helped us to tie our shoes, learn shapes and colors too. There's so many things you do. We just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You're welcome, kids.
Twin, look. Ha? Sabay ko. We're going down. Pa? Ayaw, taas ito. Huwag yung mga daan. Puno. Wala.